So I had somebody come up to me the other day. This person is a published author, and they said, I just can't tell a story like you can. And I'm like, I don't understand. You have a bestseller out there right now. How do you think you can't tell a story? And they said, well, I can write it, but I can't tell it. And it's the same thing. If you write it, that just means you've taken the time to plan it and you wrote it out methodically. When you tell a story, it's the same thing. It's the same process, except you're either just coming up, with it on the spur of the moment, or it's something that you have written out in advance and done some rehearsal, and then you tell it spontaneously so that it feels more experienced and practiced. Either way you do it, if you're a writer, you're telling a story. And the whole point of telling that story is to engage the listener or the reader and make sure that they feel what you're telling them. Let them feel what you're telling them. And then I promise you, you're a storyteller. So get out there and tell your story.